Okay, I'm back. God, I have not been having the time to work on this today, like I thought I would. Well, I didn't think I would. But where are we? We have. Boy, oh boy, that looks pretty. Alright, first off, um, this is wrong, right? Um, but let's add our lines back. Let's add our lines back. So where we say background color, we're gonna say um we should have like the divider thing, right? Divider v divider x. Or sorry, this should be divider h, and then this should be height, and then this should be width. Okay, so we have a divider h2, which is, I think, what is our divider style? Alright, so we kind of have two dividers, right? Two divider style. Let's call this like divider light, and then we'll use this. Divider light will be that, and then, oh wait, okay. Now we want div, or this is a divider horizontal. Divider h2 dot style divider light. Okay. This is just a divider. This is a horizontal divider with the style. I think this is just divider. Okay. Where else have we seen this? This should be divider dark. Divider dark. We can just do this, and then end, boom. Genius. Oh, we need a dot there. Okay, so, oh wait, and then this should be dark. And then divider dark. And then I think that's it. Any other inline styles don't really exist. Okay, let's see if that looks like how it did. Okay. Um, I don't know what is wrong with these buttons and what the difference is. Um, should be in the left area button. Do we have button widget? Style is button. What happens if we do divided by 2? Does it get centered then? Because if it gets centered then... So it's right on the edge. Oh, because these don't have width and height set. So yeah, we need to set the width and height. So these don't have fixed widths. So let's just do bool center text equals false, and then center text. We do that. Otherwise, we do OP layout ledger X. Plus 0. Because fuck it. This is, I mean, this is just like, Jesus Christ. Our item, where's our track list item? This is gonna be true. So sudo fix center text logic, figure out something more plausible going forward. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Okay, so that should be good, right? That should be pretty much. All right, everything's pretty much back except for this divider. So we have our main area. We have our left area. We should have our left area, and then we have our main area, and then it's between the track list. Is this, did I not specify this correctly? Divider dark. Divider vertical 2. What happens if I do that? Is there like a problem with the style buffer? There is. There is. Why? What happens if we do this? What if we set it to bold? Divider dark. Bold. Run. Sorry, I got an insurance thing. All right. Beautiful. Okay. Why, man? Every time with this bullshit library, it's some more bullshit, right? It's like, oh man, we're about to do tracks, and then some bullshit happened. Um. We should write style begin. Oh, the last one. Okay. So when we're parsing a style, it must be the style parsing. While OP equals that, and OP is not equal to style begin. Let's try that. Why is my computer being such a... Bruh. I don't want to deal with this. Wait. Something is working. Something isn't quite right. Hold on. Okay, so what exactly isn't working? So divider light isn't working. Let's make this like 255. Used to be 119. Okay. Let's run this again. And then... excuse me. Rains and thunders. Alright, so we're not seeing anything. But when we mouse... It's like as if it is like bleeding into the next thing. Because I don't think, like, if we do style, there's no inline styles. Right? Yeah. So I don't think we've ever encountered this where the last inline style has a problem. So basically, when this happens, right? Okay, that never happens. All right. Like, what happens if we, like, define end? Like, what if we just do that? Then it'll work, right? Yeah. Alright, so let's do 119. Let's do end style sheet. I need to clear the cache on this stupid fucking program, bro. This shit is so slow. Alright, so we could do something like this, right? This actually isn't so bad. If we go until begin or end. Okay, yeah. We got our little thing. Okay. Let's see if we can't do some tracks. Okay. So close, close, stop, close, 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 close all tabs in group. Okay. Alright. Main. To do get rid of style begin. Malachi Fields. Okay. Track, and then I would say like we have something like struct region. And what's a region? Well, a region has number of bars. So std uint 16 t. Well, let's say it has to have like some sort of like length. Let's just call it length for now. And let's just use pixels. Okay. So we have length, we have std string name, right? No. Yeah, we can have a separate name for a region. We can put string first, and then length, and then std size t track. And then we could have auto regions equals std vector region. And then we could have like let's do some cool let's call like Tyson keys 1. Say like Tyson keys 2, baseline vox bg vox What's like a all right, BG Vox. We could do like BG Vox left, BG Vox right. We could do guitar left, guitar right, 808. YVL 808. YVL! People don't know about it. A lot of people know about it. Alright, let's call it Tyson Keys 1. Length will be 40. Oh, position. Or offset. Let's say the offset is 10. Length is 40. Track 1. Alright. I hate this shit. I don't know why it showed up. I thought I disabled that. Okay. Now we need, so we have our track list. We basically need a arrangement. Let's do this in 10 minutes. Arrangement. Auto arrangement. Boom. Okay. Now we do call, all right, so this gets cut and we do arrangement. Okay, now arrangement, what's arrangement? Well, arrangement's gonna say return this. But we're obviously gonna have children, and those children are obviously gonna come in the form of a for loop. For auto I is less than regions dot size plus I, and then we're gonna add a region item. Auto region item const size t idx boom return element writer. All right. Now, let's just keep it simple. Return right dot top left op parent top plus, or we want to say const auto region equals regions at idx. Region plus, or region dot track times, and then we need to know the track height. We could say 30. Comma, OP, parent left, plus region dot offset. Offset. And then this we could do static cast to a float. We should really support more than just a float, but Static cast float top left dot width is, or size becomes region dot length by 30 dot style region. Okay. Okay. This, let's see if this works. Now we want a region style, and let's get rid of that. Then let's say digital colorimeter 208 140 51. 208 140 51. Okay. Let's run it. And I'm gonna get some water. And okay. I'm okay with this. Well, I mean, I have to be, right? There's no other. Okay. I don't understand. Do we need more space? Node. Okay, so the node is fucked up. This is clearly fucked up. So where do we get this from? Oh, so we're getting an expression that is we might not even be able to do this. We might have to do something like top and then dot left. Wow, that's unfortunate. Because I think it's, before calling the function, it's going to try to do all of this stuff. Yeah, okay. All right. Well, that's a track, baby. That's actually so dope. What do we have on here? Okay, there's no actual grid on the actual thing. I feel like there's something wrong with the styles here. Like like this bottom style is all fucked. Whatever. Let's give it a border. Let's make it 74, 56, 31. 74, 56, 31. 74, 56, 31. Okay. Border all. Let's just do a shape. Rounded rect, and then let's say border radius is like 1.3. Okay, then we'll say something like, for a region item, we'll say dot children begin text name region dot name. Okay. Structured bindings. No, fuck you. Alright. Now what we probably want the text to be $75 23.6. $75.23.6. All right, let's run it. Let's run it, baby. All right. Starting pop. Let's say 3. And then we'll say a region item. Let's give it some margin. And then we'll say hides. Oh wait, I think hides overflows down here, right? Dot hide. No, it's part of style. Okay. Okay, that's dope. So let's add a bunch of tracks. All right. So if, let's say the offset's 0, 40 gets us up to what? 40, let's say 90. let's say 84. $82. $80. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What about 81? I think we might want Tyson keys. Let's just say number 1. And then this will be on track 1. And then this should be const expert auto 17. Bar 16 equals 81.f. And then we'll say bars 16. And we can just say region. Oh wait, I guess we don't really need that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's so dope. Now Tyson keys 2. Let's make it like Tyson keys 2 number 1. Let's make it divided by 2 divided by 2. And then let's make it 2 . Oh, but then these are on track 2. Oh, the fixed height is gonna cause problems with the bottom, right? This bottom part. So we need to say something like well, let's commit to coming back tonight and working on it. Let's do that. We have to get up early tomorrow. But let's say this was a good lock-in. This was a good lock-in. For real. I'm hyped about this. All right, peace.